This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Google Pixel Fold, Google's first folding phone. Let's talk about this phone specs while we unbox. The variant we unboxing comes with Google Tensor G2 processor and 12GB RAM, plus 512GB storage. Let's see what we get in the box. There is not much included, only a charging cable, and this Type-C to A dongle. Charger, sold separately. A 30-watt fast charger. Finally, Google's first folding phone in hand. Feels nice, and kinda small too. But hey, it's a folding phone, so we have a big screen for entertainment and gaming. Didn't I tell you this phone kind of small? Look for yourselves, it's smaller than any other phones, just slightly bigger than our legend. Let's talk about display. This phone comes with 7.6-inch, 120Hz OLED screen. Both screens comes with same specs, so there is no much to talk about. The only difference is screen size. Now we need phone case for this phone, so let's unbox that too. Case is not included with phone. You have to buy that separately too. Time for some gaming, but before that guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. PUBG X Dragon Ball Super, limited time event. I want that Dragon Ball character. We got it. This new limited time mode is insane. Now enjoy gameplay, without any interruptions.
I got supply. بضرب لحد قائد الطيارة. Thank you.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.